Alright guys, so today we're here in Pocosin, Virginia. We're doing a concrete slab pour just on an apron of a driveway. This is what it looks like right now. We're gonna dig it down. I think there's the boys right there. There's the crew. This is what he did to try to stop all the water from going through. Alright y'all, we're here right now. We got the concrete truck, just now got here. Boys got it all framed up. Still got to frame it off a little bit more. Getting the rest of it out. Concrete truck showed up a little early. It's coming out nice. All right, boys, we got some help arrived now. Got a couple people working on it now. 5, 6 guys getting it all fixed up. Got the concrete truck here. Getting it all framed. Alright guys, we're done with the concrete. We're just finishing up now. Cleaning off the concrete truck. Boys are just getting it nice and smooth right now. We're not pretty smooth and nice. Alright guys, we're all finished up here. Got the brush lines down, tension joints. Put the curbs down. It's looking nice and clean. Got rid of these ugly stumps, man. Those are ugly. It looks good, guys. Really nice work. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. If you guys live in the Hampton Roads, Virginia area, give us a call at 757-813-2244. We do asphalt and concrete. Thank you.